I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. The Milky Way name came from a Greek goddess named Hera, who spilled milk across the sky. Greeks believed in that era. When you look at the darkest sky on a clear summer night, and you see the image of the Milky Way clear in sight, remember you can only see a small part of me, called the galactic core in my galaxy. Astronomers can't look at me from outside the galaxy, because I'm so massive and you don't have the technology. Based on other galaxies we see outside of our own, is why we conclude that our galaxy spiraled as I'm shown. When you look at a side view of the Milky Way here, you see me as a flat disk with a bulge center. I appear. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. I was born about 13.6 billion years ago. That's a hypothesis given from astronomers, though. I am 100,000 light years in diameter. That's an estimate given by NASA, though they can't be sure. Your solar system's this tiny dot that you see right here. Astronomers think that Orion spurs where your system appears. Your system's guessed to be 25,000 light years from the galactic center of the Milky Way shown here. About 230 million years is what your system takes to orbit around the Milky Way center's cool shape. 200 to 400 billion stars live in me. That's an estimate only based on our astronomy. Over 100 billion planets might exist in me. Maybe someday you can see them in our galaxy. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. Let's take a look at all the parts that you think I'm made of. We'll start by looking down at the galaxy above. The galactic core's the rotational center you can't see. Because of the interstellar dust, it cannot be studied. It's believed the center is a supermassive black hole. When astronomers find out more, then I will let you know. You'll notice the galactic bar and also the long bar. There's the 3 kpc arms, there is a near and there's a far. Then we have the Sagittarius and the Norma arms. Then the Orion spur, where your solar system spins on. The Scutum Centaurus and Perseus arm are 2 major spirals and full of the galaxy's charm. Finally, the outer arm and the new outer arm are the final spirals I will mention in this song. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me.
Thanks for watching Kids Learning Tube. Please subscribe below and join us next week to learn more about everything.
I'm the Milky Way, 8-part spiral galaxy. You now see, with an estimated visible diameter of 100 to 200,000 light years across me. I'm the Milky Way. This song is about facts of my galaxy. I'm not the biggest, but I'm the one you call home. Actually, I am the Milky Way, the galaxy you are all a part of. Your solar system's a small part of me. Here's more of me you'll love. Your galaxy is a gravitationally bound collection of stars in a spiral swirling through space. That's what you know about me this far. I am one in about 2 trillion galaxies in this observable universe. Let's give some examples of my size in the coming verse. I do have a radius, which is measured from my center to the edge of me, which in light years measures 52,850. When you measure me from one edge across my entirety, I'm about 100,000 light years across. As you can plainly see, I do probably contain 100 to 400 billion stars, you know. That's an estimate that humans created, but there could be more to show. To give you an example of my size, well, we'll look to my neighbor and see. The spectacle goes by the name of the Andromeda Galaxy. If you measure the Andromeda across from one side to the other, it's about 220,000 light years wide. It's my big brother. This is IC 1101 Galaxy. I will now share. It spans as much as 4 million light years. That's a lot bigger if we're compared. There are a lot of other things bigger than this called superclusters. Laniakea is a good example. I am part of it's hard to muster. The Laniakea supercluster is thought to be in size 520 million light years, an estimate humans had comprised. The next time you think Earth is the center of the universe, you know, remember you're just a speck floating in trillions of galaxies in a space unknown.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
Hey kids and parents, listen up. In just 2 months, Kids Learning Tube may not be able to send new video updates because of changes YouTube is making. Tell your parents to subscribe to our newsletter at kidslearningtube.com/subscribe so that we can keep you updated with all the fun ways to watch, learn with, and find Kids Learning Tube in the future. Subscribe for free at kidslearningtube.com/subscribe. Have your parents fill out the form in the link below this video.
Kids learning too.
There's over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe that we might see. Let's look at this galaxy size comparison from small to big, of course. Now here we come. I'm Segway 2, I'm a dwarf spheroidal galaxy situated in the constellation of Aries. My radius is 110.89 light years, they say. Discovered in 2009 by Sloan Digital Sky Survey. My name's Messier 32, a dwarf early type galaxy am I. 2.65 million light years from Earth I fly. I was discovered in the year of 1749. I am 6,500 light years across, and that's just fine. I'm small, Magellanic Cloud, or Nubicula Minor. A dwarf, irregular galaxy, there's nothing finer. I'm near the Milky Way, but not a stone's toss. My diameter's about 7,000 light years across. I'm Triangulum, a spiral galaxy, you see. Sometimes I'm referred to as a pinwheel galaxy. galaxy. I was discovered officially in 1764. I'm 50,000 light years across. This info is now yours. I'm the Whirlpool Galaxy, also called Messier 51. I'm a spiral galaxy. My arms reach out while I'm spun. I was first discovered in the year of 1773. 76,000 light years is the distance across me. I'm the Milky Way galaxy, a gigantic spiral disk with a bright central bulge that you can't miss. I'm 100,000 light years. Your sun is 8 kpc from my center on what is known as Orion's arm. It's a real bender. I'm Hoag's object, a non-typical galaxy of the type known as a ring galaxy. As you can see, 121,000 light years across, bigger than the Milky Way, discovered by Arthur Hoag in 1958. There's over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe that we might see. Let's look at this galaxy size comparison, from small to big, of course. Now here we come. I'm the Cartwheel Galaxy, a lenticular and ring galaxy, discovered by Fritz Zwicky in 1941. I'm 150,000 light years across. My beauty is number one. I am M101, also known as the Pinwheel Galaxy, discovered by Pierre Michon in 1781, if you please. I'm 170,000 light years across, nearly twice the size of the Milky Way. Now that's quite a toss. I'm the Andromeda Galaxy, a spiral galaxy, I say, in the nearest major galaxy to your Milky Way. My name stems from the constellation of Andromeda. I'm 220,000 light years across all BC, and yeah, I'm NGC 6872, also known as Condor Galaxy. I'm a large part spiral galaxy, I'm sure you'd agree. Discovered in 1835 by John Herschel, the boss. I'm very large at 700,000 light years across. I'm the giant tadpole galaxy, a disrupted part spiral. You see, I was discovered in the year of 2018. I'm 10 times the size of the Milky Way. That's extremely large, my friend. I'm 1 million light years long from end to end. I'm IC 1101, a supergiant elliptical galaxy. I'm one of the largest known galaxies found in your universe. You see, discovered in the year of 1790 by John Herschel. 6 million light years across, with stars I am full. There's over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe that we might see. Let's look at this galaxy size comparison, from small to big, of course. Now here we come. Get your Kids Learning Tube t-shirt, your favorite song, and sign up for our ad-free video streaming platform today at kidslearningtubeshop.com. And don't forget to subscribe.
Kids learn it too.
A galactic tide's a tidal force so real, experienced by objects by a gravitational field of a galaxy such as the Milky Way. But these types of tides only happen in space. There are particular areas concerning galactic tides, like galactic collisions when two galaxies collide, the disruption of a dwarf or a starlit galaxy, which creates a new elliptical supergalaxy. These tidal effects are usually limited to the immediate surroundings of a galaxy, it is true. In theory, in about 5 billion years, astronomers have theorized our galaxy's biggest fears. Astronomers think the Milky Way will be pulled by gravity towards Andromeda, the nearest galaxy. A galactic tide will pull these two galaxies in a close encounter to each other through gravity. When this happens, the center of the galaxies will certainly merge, pouring gas towards the center, igniting an explosion for sure. This will create star formation 100 times faster than a galaxy does today, says the astronomers. For example, take our tides in the ocean, attracted to the gravitational pull from the moon's motion. When the moon is on one side of the earth, the ocean is higher on that side, pulled by the moon's gravitational force. The galactic tide is similar, you can see. It all has to do do with this thing called gravity. A galactic tide's a tidal force so real, experienced by objects by a gravitational field of a galaxy such as the Milky Way. But these types of tides only happen in space.